When you hit the button, the Xtreme Save can capture plus 0.1 degrees Celsius changes in indoor temperature. Then precisely control the compressor to operate at low speed. The Xtreme Save can run at low frequency of 12 Hz for a relatively long period of time, and greatly lowers down the compressor vibration at low speed, avoiding energy loss. Thanks to the above, Xtreme Save can bring you to a greater level of energy saving with 12 Hz low speed and stable operation, reducing power usage to 71% for an 8-hour period.